Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll make it with the help of the decibel meter, and just right now I'll set here the maximum mode. The maximum mode means that when the decibel meter will reduce the highest volume, then here the value on the display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, our Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra reached the 107 and 9 decibels. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.